What's up, guys? I always get asked what are my top protein snacks that I go to, so here it goes. Number one, salmon. Smoked salmon is the best high protein snack because it's gonna give you omega-3s, omega-6s, and you can put it on top of anything. You can put it on top of avocado toast, you can put it in your eggs. You can just eat it as it is by itself. Whatever you do, smoked salmon is the way to go. Number two, if you haven't started introducing Greek yogurt into your diet, you are missing out. Not only does it kill your sweet tooth, but it is a must. Yes, I said it. At the end of the day, when we are trying to find lean ways to eat protein and cut sugar out of our diet, you need to introduce some Greek yogurt and stay away from the ones that already have high fructose corn syrup and fruit. Yes, those are a no-go. Number three, I know I'm gonna say it again, which is a fish choice, is tuna. Tuna is already so lean, has no fat whatsoever, and it's like so desirable because you can put it on sandwiches, you can eat it raw, you can like mix it up, and it's just something you can put in everything. There it goes.